Our next area of study is Yakushima, Japan. This is an island on the south coast of Japan that is under 200 square miles in area and home to about 13,000 people. This island's electricity supply is largely fueled by hydroelectricity, and its main economic footholds include tourism and growth of tea leaves. The island contains a large portion of evergreen subtropical forests that have been a Natural World Heritage Site since the 90s, attracting the island's 300,000 tourists annually. The threat to this island is ocean acidification. The natural forests that attract tourists are fortunately at the center of the island, but being as this is an island region, the ocean acidification can impact the island from the shores to the center. Stream water that runs through the island from the oceans and upper regions can contain water from the acidified ocean and can cause damage to all wildlife that it touches in the process. This acidification process through the water cycle system of the island can also cause major effects on its soil that in turn can damage the tea crops that are another main economic source on the island. Ocean acidification would also have an impact on the hydroelectric power supply of this island. I was not able to find much regarding the impact on electric plants and ocean acidification, but I would believe that it could have damaging effects on the technology and corroding effects on the structure of the plants. Acidification is going to get worse in this region as it is downstream from mainland China, which is a large contributor to pollution of the waterways in this area. Acidification could be detrimental to this area as it would damage a large percentage of the power supply, and its agriculture and tourism sectors would likely take a big hit. A feasible solution would be for major pollution restrictions to be placed and enforced on China as soon as possible to limit the acidification process. Another solution could be introducing a healthy population of marine plant life to combat the acidification process.